Hi guys, today I thought I would do a swipe to create a nice evening colored background, and then I'll paint on a few details to try and create the look of a moonlit forest. Each of the base paint colors that I'm pouring on now is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water plus 1 drop of silicone oil. You can find all the paint colors, ratios and supplies that I'm using listed in the description box. For the swipe, I'm using ivory black paint that's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. This paint is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas, and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. With the painting dry, I'm just flicking a bit of white paint onto the canvas to create some stars. I gave that white paint some time to dry, and now I'm using ivory black paint to create the trees. And here I'm using a fan brush to help create the look of trees. I'm going to come back to the trees, but for now I'm going to create the moon. I'm starting with some transparent white paint. If you don't have transparent white paint, you can just dilute your white paint with some water and use that. And now I'm adding some titanium white paint, which is an opaque white. Coming back to the trees off camera, I was fiddling around a bit and ended up adding a bit of transparent white paint in between the branches to help make them a little bit more visible. If I were to do this painting again, I'd make the background a little bit lighter just to help the trees show up a little bit more, but overall I'm happy with how it turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.